My only leading hope is for the hope you can't cope with. Taking it, you're in, that keeps it in the